record playing down my hall, a new gothic blues that almost was, but I can't hear all the chords. Now the record's playing a perfect song, and what we would have done for just one. So I pick up my guitar. I won't crawl ever again. I won't wait for it to begin. Cry for something that might have been. The record ends, and it's so dead and used up, it won't mend. So I